Once first graders begin comparing numbers, the next step is learning how to put several numbers in order. But ordering numbers requires students to think about more than just which of the two numbers is greater. They need to understand how numbers relate to one another and where each number belongs in the number sequence. In this video, I'm sharing 5 simple ways to practice ordering numbers within 20 while keeping the routine visual, predictable, and easy to use in a first grade classroom. Let's get started. The first strategy is to begin with actual quantities. Before students order written numerals, give them 3 collections to compare. For example, show groups of 6 counters, 11 counters, and 15 counters. Have students count each group. Then ask which group has the least, which group has the greatest. Once students identify these 2 quantities, they can determine where the remaining group belongs. The order becomes 6, 11, 15. This gives number order meaning because students can see the amounts represented by the numbers. The second strategy is using a number line. Let's say students need to order 7, 12, and 18. Have them locate all 3 numbers. Ask which number comes first, which number comes next, which is the furthest to the right. The number line shows us 7, 12, 18 from least to greatest. Then reverse the order. 18, 12, 7 from greatest to least. A number line gives students a visual tool they can use to check their thinking. The third strategy is using place value. Suppose students are ordering 13, 17, and 19. All 3 numbers have 110, so we can compare the ones. 13 has 3 ones, 17 has 7 ones, 19 has 9 ones. 3 ones is the least, and 9 ones is the greatest. So the numbers are 13, 17, 19. This helps students use number structure instead of counting every quantity from 1. The fourth strategy is connecting number order to 1 more and 1 less. Start with 13. Ask, what is 1 less than 13? What is 1 more than 13? Now we have 12, 13, 14. Students can immediately see the number sequence. Activities like this help students understand that numbers have predictable relationships with the numbers around them. The fifth strategy gives students a simple process for ordering 3 numbers. Show 16, 9, 13. Instead of asking students to rearrange all 3 numbers at once, ask, which number is the least? Which number is the greatest? Now there is only 1 number left. 13 belongs in the middle. So the order is 9, 13, 16. This strategy can make ordering numbers feel much more manageable. You can turn number order into a quick daily number sense routine. Show students 3 numbers, give them time to look and think. Let them use counters, drawings, tens and ones models, or a number line if needed. Ask, which number is least? Which number is greatest? Where does the other number belong? Then have students share their thinking and record the numbers in order. The numbers can change every day while the structure stays familiar. Ordering numbers is much easier for first graders when they understand the relationships between the numbers. Start with quantities, use number lines, connect teen numbers to tens and ones, practice 1 more and 1 less, and give students a predictable strategy for finding the least and greatest numbers. For more simple first grade number sense ideas, explore my first grade number sense starter library and the first grade number sense daily math routines growing bundle. I'll leave both links below. And in the next video, I'll share simple ways to help first graders understand teen numbers as 1, 10, and extra ones. See you there.